Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a master-slave database replication with Docker and MySQL. So in this setup, I will make one master database and two slave databases, with which the slave database can only operate with read command and you cannot write into the slave databases. Okay, let's get into it. The first step is to run the Docker desktop app. I ran mine, so we will go to the next step, which is to compose the master container. We need to compose the master container first because we need the binary log file name and position to put it into the slave.sql file, because we cannot set the file name in the first place, because we can set the base name but we cannot set the index of the file name. Okay, so it's ready for connections. Now we need to check. Wait a minute. I kind of forget the command. Okay, so you enter the password and you're in. So we now have to check the master status. See, we got the binlog file name and the position, and we put this in the slave.sql file. Let me show you right here. Yeah, we put it right here, so it's already the same. And the position. Okay, now that means we are ready to compose the slave. Okay, we will just use it here. Docker compose up slave 1, slave 2. The binary log file name and the position might be different on your device or other people's device, so that's why you need to set it first based on the master status that you have to check. This might take a minute, so we have to be patient. Alright, it's ready for connections. Let's check the slave status. We run docker exec slave 1 MySQL root. Okay, show slave status dash wait \g. Yep, so we have to make sure that the slave IO running and slave SQL running is set to yes. That means it's ready for replications. We have to check both of the slave. So docker exec hit slave 2 MySQL root. You have to sign in as root to check the slave status. \g. Yep, it's set to yes, both of it. So both of our slaves are ready for replication, so it's best to sign up first, you know, and sign in again as a regular user, so we are restricted from writing into the slave database. User pass, wait, okay, now we can use this. Oh, damn. Oh, I can duplicate. Oh, nice. So we can check. Okay, we can check the. Let's just sign in as the user. Show databases. Okay, we can use the MyDB. It is part of the setup, so we can test the replication. Use MyDB. Do the same thing for the slaves. Use. Okay, let's check it first. Show databases. Okay, it's the same. Use MyDB and use MyDB. Wait. Use MyDB. Okay. So the MyDB database doesn't have any tables, so I have prepared a script here for adding tables. Okay, let's just prove that this database has no tables, and this also has no tables. Now we are going to input some tables and values into the master and see how the slaves will react. Okay, it's done. Now we got 3 tables with values in its tables from users. Okay, let's check. Yep, we got the right amount of tables. Let's check the values. It is the same. Here too. Yep, we got the same values. So we can check again with complicated query here. Okay, we got the result. What about here? We got the same result, and here too. So this query uses join, which means it needs foreign key configuration, and as you can see here, it works on both the slaves. So it means it doesn't just copy the data, but also configures the relation between its tables. Let's try